Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different than what I usually do. I'm going to show you how to change colors when you're doing a graffigan, which is a crocheted afghan that is in a picture and you're changing colors to make the picture. So I'm going to show you real quick how I do that. And you can see I've got my afghan started. It's going to be a blacked out deer head. So I'm going to show you how I change from the camo to the black, back to the black, camo black, and make it look halfway decent. So stick around and let's do this. Okay, so my pattern has said to do 61 of the camo. I'm on my 60th stitch. So, and here's my black over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this next stitch. I'm going to pull up. I'm doing a single crochet. And right here is where I'm wanting to change colors. So I'm going to bring my black over and pull it through these two loops. And now I'm working with black. Now my camo is going to fall back behind my work, and I'm just going to lay it along the top here and run it with it. Now in order to tuck in this end, I'm going to crochet over it. And now I'm supposed to be doing 6 stitches with the black. So that's going to be one. Now see how he's still right there. I'm crocheting over him. 2. And I'm going to crochet over him again. There's 3. And I'm still got my camo laying right along the top. This keeps me from having to sew in an end when I'm done with my work. And when you're working with so many color changes, anywhere you don't have to sew in an end is a plus. So I'm on 3 black stitches. Still got my camo right here. And I'm crocheting around it. Oops. There's 4. There's 5. Now here is my 6th one, and I'm going to be changing back to camo. So I'm going to pull up a loop. I'm just going to pick up my camo thread and pull it through. Now my black is going to fall down to along the top, and I'll be working with the camo one. And the pattern says to do 10 camo. And then I'll be switching back to the black the same way. Okay, so I'm on my 9th camo stitch, and I wanted to show you this once again where here I'm in a different color of the camo so you can see a little bit better. This is number 9. I'm going to go in and do number 10, pull up a loop, and then I'm going to hook onto my black and pull it through. Now I'm working with my black. My camo lays right there along top of the work, and I will crochet over him so I can pick him back up here in just a few minutes. Now I'm supposed to do 3 black. 1, 2. Here's my third one. I'm going to pull up a loop and grab my camo back. And there you go. Alright, and so there you have it. I hope that I helped you out a little bit. I don't know if this is the correct way to do it. It's just the way I do it. So, I really liked making this with you today and showing you how I do this so you don't have quite so many ends to sew in at the end. And please give me a good thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'll hit that little bell notification, it will tell you whenever I upload something new. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day. Bye.